please. No, this I shut up everybody when they have concerns or a question. Hands have to go up.
Asking me to have Kyle and Leon sign with England and to get English passports for them and everything. Hey, can I stop you a second? 1 second.
Yeah, man.
Do you know that I have messages from Southgate and the technical director asking me to have Kyle and Leon sign with England and to get English passports for them and everything?
That's news.
When Jamaica
How would
was fight against Kyle and shipping.
How would they have been connected to England? Because as per FIFA rules, you have to have some sort of connection. What would be the connection that they would have?
No, you were in England. England was in the European Union at the time, no?
Yeah, but that's not it. You know that my grandparents are from England.
All right, there we go. All right, continue the story now, Mr. Butler.
Yeah, so and call and email. I'm trying to remember his name. Remind me of the name of the technical director. He left now. Not the head of recruitment. Southgate and the head of recruitment and team manager. What name, man? The message me about. Can you hear about 10-page a WhatsApp message for the two players. And we didn't go. Hold it. That's some of the reason why me and Kyle can never really get back to father something again.
Coach, a lot of people believe the Leon part. A lot of people are questioning the Kyle part in the chat.
Okay. I don't give up what they want to question. Me no business. I'm telling you how it was. At the time, Kyle was top scorer of Genk under 23. Hold on, man. Let me just show you something.
I'll say to that, what they've done.
Look here now.
Yeah.
See that?
Yeah.
You just have to Google it.
What Gareth Southgate has done now is before England had an under-20 team.
Dan, his first name was Dan. Dan Ashford. Dan, hold on.
You're not Google.
So let me finish up this point and I'll make Mr. Bulter come in.
Yeah, man. Good.
England are under 15, under 17, under 20, under 23. Those are the England squads, right? What Gareth Southgate, that would have given you what? Under 15, under 17, under 4 times, let's say 25-man squad. Right?
Dan Ashworth, yeah.
Okay. 4 times 25 is 100 players.
Come on.
Yeah, Mr. Butler, what you say?
Put up what I just said. And this is for all I look at you idiot them. Talk about them doubt what me I say. You're me not tell lie. Put it up.
But watch on the correct, Mr. Butler, people entitled for express
In a
them
business. Put
that
it up.
Send it.
Put it up. I said it already. Put it up.
Look on it and wow.
Put it up.
I am definitely going to show this. This is very interesting.
Put it up.
Well, now, Mr. Butler, with some respect, we're going to put it up, man. But yeah, we read it, you get me, I say, well, look, and we like what we see.
All right, my friend, just put it up now.
Yeah, man.
They're vetting it.
Don't vet it. Just put it up as it is.
It will not be edited. I can promise you that one.
Don't edit it. Just put it up.
There we go.
But yeah, as me I say,
and this is for all of those people that like to question my integrity here.
As me say, Mr. Butler, as human beings, and I think as responsible human beings, it is our responsibility to question every and anybody's integrity.
And
Rush, you
sir,
know my
that's
best
what the
friend?
Pharisees said about Jesus Christ when they were going to persecute him. Blessed is he that sees and believes, but more blessed is he that does not see and believe. You understand that part?
Yeah, I hear that, Craig. And as I
Okay.
said,
Is it big enough for them to read?
is there a way you can zoom it in, bro? All right, just scroll and go through it. But yeah, Mr. Butler, while Rush adjust that, it is our responsibility as people to question everything because
No, it is not.
people have a tendency to be led astray. So I
No,
will question
no.
my father's integrity. I will ask my father questions to ensure his credibility and my best friend. So
And that is wrong.
I'm not going to say they're idiots for
That
wanting
is
to
wrong.
confirm what it
Hey,
is.
No, that is wrong.
let's get to this now, man. Let's
All
get to
right.
this. Because this is interesting, you know. So this is an email from Dan Ashworth. Yes.
Very interesting.
Please put on the date. What is the date of that email?
The date is on the
And
19th of
also
February,
to that point, Miss But I really respect
2018.
the fact that people are questioning the way to lick back people. Instead of call them an idiot, just show them up by bringing this document.
No, I
Because
don't call him an idiot too because if I never have this document, you'd have said he's a liar.
good thing you have the document because I'm
People want to read this. Want to read
impressed by
this.
this. Yeah. Rush narrate it, Rush. Read it, Rush.
All right. So as I said, this is an email from Dan Ashworth. You know, a powerful figure in the English setup back in the day. So he sent a message to Craig. Hi, Craig. Good to speak on the phone. As per our discussion, I am going to get Jane to liaison with you on getting passports for Leon and Kyle's grandfather to prove qualification for England. Jane can get the necessary documents from Craig ASAP. Please. Now this, I shut up everybody when they have concerns or a question it. Hands have to go up.
Yep.
Hands have to go up.
And this is what I talk about Mr. Butler.
What's the date?
The date.
February 19, 2018.
Incredible.
How old were they at that time?
Leon would have been 19, right?
And Kyle?
Would have been 18 going 19.
Yeah, Kyle would have been 1 year younger.
17 and 18. It's early in the year, so yeah.
Wow.
That's crazy, bro.
Yeah. So people,
That was at
very
the time.
clear.
That was at a time when Jamaica did not call Leon for the national under 20 and did not call Kyle for the national under 17.
Craig, you know if I did make this public, they would have called him ASAP.
My job is to do what is in the best interest of my players. At that time, I could not go and make an email from the English FA public. Not at that time. Now, Leon is committed to Jamaica and Kyle. So, it wouldn't matter at this point.
Right.
Wow. So yeah, people, as I
I
said,
think
this
the
is
important thing to me is that is Jane. So, Mr. Speed, I hope you watch this program and see who gets passports.
yo, Rush, we have goosebumps in a Rush.
Yeah,
Because
yeah.
these are some
The email didn't say, thank you for your interest, Mr. Butler. To prove that Kyle and Leon are committed, the finding the grandfather paperwork. And when you just dig up a needle in a haystack,
we sort out for them one.
say that we won't read it.
Wow.
That's how it's done internationally, mate.
Yeah, and as I said, Craig, I mean, Cataract, it
So,
my point.
So,
With
you
the
see what
point,
them do to my son?
There's a hip hop saying that Biggie Small said, if you don't know, now you know.
no.
So you see what them do to my son and tell my son say I'm not good and him this and that and break in spirit until I break the relationship with me and my son. Only God will forgive you because I will not.
Yeah, this must have been a lot.
We chose Jamaica when Jamaica didn't choose us.
Facts.
That's enough.